So now the next question is just the kind of key features and to go over terminology, and most students will be confused by this question until they learn how to do it. Then it becomes a 15-second question. So in order to present this type of question, let me do something here that would be easier to understand. So let's say I give you this polynomial and I say it's equal to 0, and I want you to solve. I want you to find the roots or the solutions to this equation. You would factor this into x minus 5 times x plus 1, and then you would set each of these things equal to 0 because of the zero product property, and then you would get x is equal to 5 and x is equal to negative 1, right? And now we have to understand terminology. The terminology is that these values represent the x-intercepts, right? Or the roots of the solution, roots or the solutions of the quadratic. And that these things up here are considered the factors of the expression. And that's just terminology, right? And so the idea is that on a question like this, they want you to go backwards. They have given you the roots, and they simply want a factor, right? So if I write them all out, I get x is equal to negative 1, x is equal to negative 3, and x is equal to 5, right? And I'm going to add over the 1, and I get x plus 1 is equal to 0, I get x plus 3 is equal to 0, and x minus 5, I ran out of room here, but that's equal to 0, right? And then I multiply all of those together. So x plus 1, x plus 3, x minus 5, right? And these represent my factors of the expression, right? So each one of these is a factor. And we look over here, and answer choice B is the only answer choice that matches one of those answers, and therefore it has to be the correct answer.